To start math today, we're going to do another Think Aloud. I'm going to put the problem up on the board, and the problem that we're going to use for the Think Aloud is also on the top of your worksheet on your desk. Can everyone hold up their worksheets for me? Thank you. I'm going to read off the problem, and you guys are going to follow along with your finger, okay? Everyone put your finger on your problem. Awesome. Eve has 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 6 nickels. She wants to buy a different gift for each of her 3 friends. So we have some vocabulary here, right? We have 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 6 nickels. Do you guys remember how much cents is in a quarter? Yes, you're right, 25 cents. And we have how many quarters? Yes, 2 quarters. So I'm going to write that down here so I don't forget it. Now, do we remember how much cents is in a dime? Yes, 10 cents. And we have how many dimes? 4, that's correct. Now, can anyone tell me how much cents is in a nickel? Yes, 5 cents. And how many nickels do we have? 6. So now that we've put the problem into numbers, the word problem into numbers, we need to look at the chart that goes along with the problem. Now we see that one column of the chart is labeled gifts. And we've got a balloon, eraser, gumball, kazoo, mood ring, pencil, and sticker. And then in the other column, we have cost. So in the row next to balloon, we have 60 cents. So what do we know from this chart? Yes, that a balloon costs 60 cents. And how much does a kazoo cost? Yes, 75 cents. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up how much cents, how much money Eve has. She has 2 quarters, 4 dimes, and 6 nickels. So we have 2 quarters, which is 25 cents. So what do we need to do here? What can we do to figure out how much money she has in quarters? Yes, we can add 25 cents together, which I'm going to write down right here. So I'm going to add the 5s, and 2 5s are 10, so I write the 0 down here and carry the 1 up here, and then I add 1 plus 2 plus 2 again is 5. So how many cents is 2 quarters? Yes, 50 cents. And then we're going to do the same for dimes. She has 4 dimes, so how can we figure that out? Yeah, we can add 10 cents 4 times. So what are 4 zeros added together? 0. And what is 4 ones added together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 cents. So she has 40 cents in dimes. And then how many cents does she have nickels? How do we set that problem up? I'll add it since that's what we've already done. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 6 5s. Yeah, we can also count by 5s. So we can do 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So she has 30 cents in nickels. So then we could add all 3 of these problems. We can add her quarters, her dimes, and her nickels together. So that's 50 cents in quarters, 40 cents in dimes, 30 cents in nickels. So we add the zeros together. 3 zeros is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So she has 100. We have written 120. But since it's cents, we carry down the decimal point. Can anyone tell me where the decimal point goes? Yes. So what does 50 cents plus 40 cents plus 30 cents add up to be? $1.20. is correct. So, how much money does Eve have? $1.40. So this is where the chart comes back in. If Eve has $1.20, how much money, and she has to buy how many gifts? We look back up here, 3 gifts for 3 of her friends, and she has $1.20. So she needs to find out what in here she can buy that will add up to $1.20 or less. So maybe stickers are fun. We can see if Eve can buy a sticker, which is 20 cents. And then what else might Eve like to buy? A mood ring? That's 50 cents. And then what else does she want to buy? A gumball? 25 cents. So a sticker is worth 20 cents, and a mood ring is worth 50 cents, and a gumball is worth 25 cents. We need to make sure that this doesn't cost more than $1.20. How do we do that? We can add, so we add this column 5, and then we add the 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9, 95 cents. So does she have enough to buy a sticker, mood ring, and gumball with $1.20? Yes, she does. So she can buy that, or we could see if she can buy, maybe she wants to buy a pencil instead of a gumball. So we have a sticker, which is still 20 cents, and a mood ring, which is 50 cents, and a gumball, which is, or not a gumball, a pencil, which is 35 cents. So we can add these 3 items together and carry the 5, that's 5 cents, and then we have 2 plus 5, 7, plus 3 is 10. So we carry down the 10, and we need to put the decimal in. Where do we put it? Yep, that's correct. We put it right there. So 20 cents plus 50 cents plus 35 cents is $1.05. So she can get, instead of a gumball, she can get a pencil for her friend. Or what